Hi learners, welcome back to our channel Raveendra for Students. In this video we are going to see the answers for quiz 2 in Introduction to Microcontrollers and Applications. The very first one, which of the following architecture is followed by general purpose microprocessors? A. Von Neumann architecture, B. Harvard architecture, C. None of the mentioned, that is not Von Neumann or not Harvard architectures, and D. All the mentioned. The correct option is A. Von Neumann architecture. Second one, what is the bit size of the 8051 microcontroller? A. 8-bit, B. 16-bit, C. 4-bit, D. 24-bit. The correct option is A. 8-bit. Number of input-output ports in 8051 microcontroller are A. 3, B. 4, C. 1, D. 2. The correct option is B. 4 input-output ports. Harvard architecture offers separate storage. A. For data only, B. For data and instructions, C. For instructions only, D. None of the mentioned. The correct option is B. For data and instructions. The IMCA ports that are used as address and data for external memory are A. Ports 1 and 2, B. Ports 1 and 3, C. Ports 0 and 2, D. Ports 0 and 3. The correct option is C. Ports 0 and 2. An alternate function of port pin P3.4 in the 8051 is A. Timer 0, B. Timer 1, C. Interrupt 0, D. Interrupt 1. The correct option is A. Timer 0. Move A comma at the rate R1 will A. Copy R1 to the accumulator, B. Copy the accumulator to R1, C. Copy the contents of memory whose address is in R1 to the accumulator, and D. Copy the accumulator to the contents of the memory whose address is in R1. The correct option is C. It copies the contents of the memory whose address is in R1 to the accumulator. The 8051 can handle dash interrupt sources A3, B4, C5, D6. The correct option is C. 5 interrupt sources. The total external data memory that can be interfaced to the 8051 is A. 32K, B. 64K, C. 128K, D. 256K. The correct option is B. 64K. How are the status of the carry, auxiliary carry and parity flag affected if the right instruction move A comma hash 9C then add A as 44H is executed? A. CY equals to 0, AC equals to 0, P equals to 0. B. CY equals to 1, AC equals to 1, P equals to 0. C. CY equals to 0, AC equals to 1, P equals to 0. D. CY equals to 1, AC equals to 1, P equals to 1. The correct option is A. Carry equals to 0, auxiliary carry is 0 and parity also 0.